anything, what kind of shape do you see in nature? What kind of shape do you see in nature most of the time?
Rectangle.
You see rectangle? What is a rectangle?
Rectangle.
Is any animal rectangle?
Oh, I know what this Annabelle.
Are you rectangle?
No.
Is the sun rectangle? What is rectangle? I'm asking.
The light's body.
No, body is not rectangle. Inside body, all parts are.
Circle. It's the sun.
Okay, you are getting there, but just think before you talk.
Oh yeah, think before
Yes.
you talk. At men
You
and
don't-
taekwondo.
You just don't start talking and you don't know what to say. Very important. So, what kind of shape do you see in the body, Karishma?
It could be all type shapes equal because if you have one shape, you can rip it apart and then it can be another shape.
No, but when it is whole, what kind of shape do you see? I'm not saying put it apart. You can put it apart in different angles. What kind of shape do you see? Most times.
All type of shapes.
Like,
Shoot.
do you see triangle? Anything look like triangle? Anywhere?
Houses.
Do you see any, Jayun, do you see any triangle? In nature, outside, in the sky?
What about outside your house?
You don't see triangles. No, I'm not saying the one you make. I can make this rectangle. This is what I made. You can make it, but this is not how it comes from.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, oh yes, okay. So what kind of shape do you see lot of times? Number one, you see a circle. It may not be perfect circle. It may not be exact circle, but more or less it is circle. Give me some examples of what circles you see. Yeah.
Faces.
Your all faces are not exact circle, but they are kind of round. They look round. What else?
Eyes.
Eyes are round. Okay, what else?
The planets.
All planets are round. All stars are round. What else is round? Are trees round?
No. They
The
stay
tree
still.
branch looks long, but it's round.
No, when there's a storm,
The tree,
they not.
listen. The tree from here to there looks tall like this, but when you look closely, it is round and round and round and round. When you look at all the leaves, not exact circle, but they are kind of like this and they're like this, like this. All fruits, right? Apple, see banana you say is not round, but it's round and longer. Peaches, watermelon, honeydew, all things become round. Even if they don't start out being round, when they grow, they become round. Most of the stuff. And what is another shape do you see around you?
Oh,
Sun will be round.
Another shape you see, you probably don't see it, but it is there, is a spiral. You know, like this, and this gets bigger and bigger. Start small circle, bigger.
that's gonna be the end of the world.
All galaxies are spiral. Some of them are round or spiral. And when you go inside, a very tiny, when you look at something in your blood, the DNA is going round like this. Okay? So it's important. This is something that if you don't know, then you say that things look so different. Each one, everything looks different. Say, well, everything is kind of round. So there must be something same in all of them. Right? And there's another one, about which I'll tell you next time. It is called S. S. This curve like this becoming S. That is common, but you never see it. It is everywhere. Everything has S, but you don't see it. You don't see an S-shaped tree.
Yeah.
You don't see an S-shaped person or animal. But everything is S-shaped. Think about it. Next week, I will explain it to you. Now, one more question and then I will tell you the story. The question is, you know, I keep saying how to think big.
What?
How to think big, not small things.
How to be big?
For example, when you say small thing about food, let's say. What are small things about food?
I know.
I want to eat more, I want to eat less. I don't like this, I don't like that. Small things about food. What is big thing about food?
Big thing is
I
apple.
need food to live. Not me. Every person who lives, animals, plants, people, they need food. That is something big about the food that you know. Nobody can
And
live without
sometimes
food.
they kill animals, right?
They have different kind of food. Right? But everybody needs food. What's another big question about? Small question about food. What am I going to eat now?
I don't want to waste food.
I don't like this. I'm going to eat something in the evening. And you're thinking about it. Small thing. Big thing about food. That lot of people on this earth, millions of millions, are hungry and don't have food. Why is that? Why so many people are hungry? You are not hungry, but people who don't know. Millions of people all over the world are hungry, they don't have food. But at the same time, we waste a lot of food. We throw away a lot of food. Even some countries that produce a lot of food grain, they dump it in the ocean instead of giving it to somebody.
And the
happens.
trash. Yeah, that
Some country
I
will
know
produce a lot of
that.
rice, but they don't want to give it to their neighbor where people are hungry. They throw it. That is a big question.
That is bad, right?
It is bad. So anything you find out, you learn, ask big questions. Don't waste your time in small things. Because if you think about small things, you ask small questions, you will do small things and you will become small things. Right? You are very special. So you have to think that I am very special, I have to do something special.
I am always special.
I don't want to be like everybody else. If you start thinking that you are special, you can do something big, something great, then your mind will start working and actually you will do something big. Now this story.
Yeah.